Of this power hungry app, in most of the phones you will find it, and it uses lot of resources and uses continuous battery. So to check that, go to the settings and then scroll down, and here you will find apps. Once you click on that, search the app and type digital, and here you will find digital well-being. And if you scroll down, you will see the usage. And digital well-being is something where you can track the parental control, how many apps you're using, how much time, how many times, and how many days you're using. So if you're not using it, if you're not tracking your usage, you can simply disable the permissions of this. So in my phone, it is 5%, but in your case, it might be more than that, and it continuously use it. So you just need to click on this battery and just select restricted. And you can also force stop and come back. And here you will find permissions. Do not allow any permission. And scroll down, change system settings, allow. So you just need to turn off the allow permission, just toggle off. And once it is done, go to the storage section, clear cache, clear data. Once you're done, if you try to open digital well-being, it will not open, and you will save a lot of battery. And if you're using it, well and good, no need to do anything. But if you're not using it, you can simply disable it. Subscribe for more tutorials like this. Have a wonderful day. Take care.